Hi guys, welcome back. I'm popping on to do a layout for Not Just for Boys Kit Club, and I am using a page kit by Meridy called Playtime. It is so cute. This is my very favorite paper this month. Now, the backside is gorgeous, so I wish I had two, but I have one. So I'm going to concentrate on the goodies on this side. I think it's so cute. So I have this. I've got wood grain, which is always the bee's knees. This piece right here, oh, I didn't tell you, this was by Minte Papers, Childhood, and there's our little product code. Then this is an Simple Stories cardstock hickory cream notebook from the Color Vibe collection. Cream notebook, hickory, I'm feeling the hickory. I have this Echo Park Paper Company from Welcome Baby Boy, and it is boy plaid. Either side does work for what I'm going to do. And then finally, I have this one from Uniquely Creative, Choose Your Adventure, ready, go. And I'm concentrating on this gray star. I also have these gorgeous pieces of wheat colored cardstock and one smooth white. So those are awesome. What else do I have to play with? I've got a couple of these sheets from Uniquely Creative as well, and they're these cut apart ones. I did my first layout with goodies from this one, and lots of wordy bits. I'm not going to be using this for my layout, but I've got a cardstock cut called Toys. Oopsie. I will be using these. These are Thickers in Max, and they're puffy letter stickers, and they're in this really great saturated seafoam. Finally, enamel dots, always fun. And I also have some great a la carte goodies. This reads Playroom. This is this great banner with little cute creatures. And I'm just here for recess. This one does not work, but these do-ish. I don't know. Got to figure it out. Oh, and I also have the most gorgeous sequin mix. So I have that. Let me show you the pictures I'm going to use. Look at these babies. This is Odin, and this is Theo, and they're my son's and his girlfriend's brand new kitties, and they're little tiny baby kitties. So I thought it would be so fun. I'm going to detail cut out these little critters because they're adorable, and do a cute little baby kitty layout. So that is my plan, and I think this stuff will be so cute. So I'm going to cut them out really quickly. I know I'm going to have some pieces from here. I have no idea what yet. That's fine. I'm super vibing doing them on top of this wood grain because I think they're going to pop so beautifully. And I want to bring in these patterns as well. How about we matte, it'll look better like this, matte the wood grain on top of the plaid. And then look at this gray stripe with beautiful Odin to bring out his vibe. I'm also going to make sure to bring in some of this, I'm not sure what color it is. I keep calling it wheat, which shows Theo so nicely. So they're beautiful kitties. You can't tell in this picture, but Theo's eyes are baby blue. So pretty. Okay, so I know I have a lot of cutting and cuteness and all that kind of stuff to do. So I'm going to do that. I am going to trim this out. I'm going to match it on this one but I'm going to make sure to gut this piece of paper because I super want to use it. Kind of feeling like stitching on it too. So I might stitch the border. That would be really, really fun. I think that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to get working and I'll be back in a jiffy. Okay, so check-in time. All I've really done is I cut out my pieces like we talked about. Aren't they cute, the little cut aparts? Anywho, I gutted my plaid paper. I did a nice sew edge around my gorgeous Simple Stories wood grain, and I scuffed it up. Great. Now, this piece here, I'm deciding what color to make the banner. I'm kind of drawn to this aqua-y color. I just have to see if I have the right ink color. I have no idea. So I have that going on. I have my title, which is Hello Kitties. This hello is from Rosie's Studio. and the This Is Us collection, and it came from, what's the name of this kit? Tranquility. That is another one of our kits this month, and I just did a little borrowing, so I'll borrow a couple of the little hearts as well. Let me put that to the side. Now, I still have to map my photos lots of times. I think that they are adorable. And then just decide, do I want my pictures kind of tucked in with this cluster? Ooh, I think so. Okay, so I'm gonna map my photo a bunch of times. Got to figure out where, like, do I want a fishtail banner, how I want them to sit, all that kind of stuff. I have my enamel dots, and I did cut out from this, oh, Lori, sorry, this uniquely creative sheet. I've cut out a couple pieces so far that go with it. So I've got a little traction. I'm liking that this one's a little bit simple because the wood grain. And I also am deciding if I want to do like glossy accents on their eyes, that kind of thing, because I want a little bit of shiny pop. So give me a minute. I'm going to keep playing with this. Check-in time. I have all the pieces are attached down. Let me show you what we have going on here. I ended up putting my title right in this cluster, which was a happy accident. So fun. Tickets are tucked behind this little rocket. This little bunny is up on some foam, as well as this cute little whale. Let me show you where I cut out the whales and the boats, if I have any of it left. It is the back of this cute plaid paper. It has this pattern on it. So this little guy is holding a boat from it. And this little guy has this little whale. Aren't they cute? Cute little clusters. Okay, so I have that. I need to put a little something here. I ended up inking in part of my banner piece with, where is it? Here it is. Speckled egg went really, really well. So that was awesome to be able to do that. Not sure what I want to do yet. I still have to come in with some enamel dots. I have got sequins, and I've got some of these hearts I want to include in all the clusters as well. So I'm going to just figure out what goes here. Couple of enamel dots, that kind of thing. And I think I'll be able to wrap it up. I'll show you when I'm done. And that is that. I have some splatty bits here just from the same ink that I used on my cute little banner. And then I came in with just some white splatty bits that are drying just from some white paint thinned down with a little bit of water, but it is adding a bit of interest to my clusters. I also came in with some oh, I have a rogue sequin hanging out. I came in with sequins as well as this reddish color. It's a gorgeous red. It has a tiny bit of orange in it. Enamel dots in my clusters, and that is that for my cute little baby kitty layout. So with that in mind, I will have links down below for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club website, for the blog, and our Facebook group, so you can hopefully share what you create with this kit, and we can all get inspired from each other. That's it, friends. Bye for now.